Welcome to our teacher tutorial on decodable choice texts. My name is Jess. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to our support team using the blue chat in the bottom right corner of your teacher dashboard. As a reminder, choice text is a type of practice activity students will encounter in eSpark when practicing reading standards. They get to make choices and create their own personalized text. These activities show up automatically in your students' adaptive learning path, and you can assign them using the assignments feature. Decodable choice texts are a type of choice text that students create that are focused on phonics instruction. They're currently available for kindergarten to third grade standards. Each decodable choice text includes a check for understanding question for a quick assessment. Let's take a look at an example. When you start the activity, students will get to make a couple of choices. First, they get to choose who their story will be about. We'll go with a B. Then they get to choose where their story will take place. We'll go with a cave. From there, they press the button to start reading, and this is where eSpark will generate a decodable reader for them. In this case, we have B in the deep cave. My favorite part of the activity is always the image that gets generated to go along with the story because it really brings it to life. And then as a reminder, your students also have audio support. So they can press the speaker button here and it will read aloud the text to students as they're doing the activity. There's also a make easier button, and this will rewrite the text one grade level below for them to make sure that they can read it independently and have the activity be accessible for them. So we are watching this text generate for us live, which is really cool to see the magic come to life. When they're done reading the activity, that is where we will ask them an assessment question to check for their understanding on the skill. Remember, after students create a decodable choice text, they can choose to share it in their class library, which they can access from the student dashboard. If they don't publish it to the class library, they can still access it from My Library, which is where their private texts will be. Also, don't forget that you can review the class library and read your students' decodable choice texts from the Student Showcase tab of your teacher dashboard. Just look for the yellow tags to identify choice texts. Thanks for learning about decodable choice texts. Happy eSparking!